Where'd you hide them damn drugs? Oh! Huh? Oh!
Hey, it's that finisher dude. Oh shit, man, don't kill me, I didn't do it.
Why should I let you live?
I don't do drugs, man. I just live here. Okay, let me go. I can talk to the guys in 2B for you.
Free hand.
Oh shit.
Yes!
Talk or you'll regret it.
I got nothing to say! You're bluffing! Shit, I just want to get high? What's wrong with that? Oh man, isn't
You going down, man?
Sucks to be them.
Too late for money, maggot.
Can't save them both!
Need help in here.
No! No!
Talk if you want to live.
I don't know nothing! Take this key, stuff in the closet. Hey,
You're
hey,
screwed, buddy. Okay. Need help in here.
Back off, I ain't afraid of you.
Don't shoot me.
Wait, give
I'll
up.
just wait for the police, okay?
Hello, damage. Talk or die, damage.
Go ahead and kill me. You ain't got nothing on me. I got a call saying you'd show tonight. I don't know who it was.
Let me go, you son of a bitch! Hey! That hurts, shithead! You can't! I'm innocent!
So were they. Who runs this place?
cut that shit out! Damage runs it! He's up on the 4th floor! Where the hell are you? Oh shit, you ain't Maurice, you're the Punisher!
What do you...
Relax, we got nothing to worry about.
You're in deep shit, man!
This isn't your night, but I could make it worse.
Damn it! Let me go!
You're screwed, Punisher! I don't deserve...
Get down back there, asshole! Hey, who the hell are you?
What? No!
Talk or you'll regret it.
Huh? Dude, what's your problem? I don't know shit, I promise. Talk to Damage. He's upstairs. He's the one you want.
Please don't hurt me!
Need help in here.